How to get rainbow name on Brawl Stars. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Brawl Stars. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. So in here, as you can see, you can choose many multiple colors and they all look wonderful in my opinion. But let's see how you can change them. First of all, go back to your home page and head over to your Brawl Pass at the bottom left corner. In here, you have to make sure that your Brawl Pass is unlocked because if you don't, then you won't be able to have your rainbow name on Brawl Stars. So firstly, make sure that the Brawl Pass is unlocked. Well, the Brawl Pass is 169 gems, which is about $10 or $20. So you should instantly get the Brawl Pass unlocked. Once you have it unlocked, go back to your home page and then head over to your profile. In here, tap on name color. All you want to do is choose the rainbow color and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get rainbow name on Brawl Stars. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.